those questions,
Exactly.
which you have read. So you can underline those in the
Yes.
question paper. So something, like tips which you would like to share with our students,
Right.
correct, for
Right.
section A.
Definitely. So I prefer the second tip given by your teacher. Normally, I say this to my students also, because when you read the questions first, you get an idea what the passage is all about. And then some questions you do register in your mind as you read them. Then when you shift to the passage for reading, the passage is not entirely unseen for you now. So there is already a mindset ready to accept whatever is being written over there. And then whatever you have registered in your mind, you will find as you read. So that will save a lot of time for you to find the answers. Second thing is, there are words which have the antonyms and synonyms to be found. So again, CBSE is better in the sense by they provide the passage number, paragraph number. So then what you can do is, you can write that question word beside that paragraph in light pencil mode. So when you read them, you can connect them. Now, suppose in that particular paragraph, there are 5 new words which you don't know. And one of the question is from those. So what you can see is, you can put this word in that place and reread the sentence. So if it makes sense, you will understand that this is the word which I need. So that way you can answer those questions. Now, the second thing is, when the question is, now we have the combination of MCQs and the 1-mark questions also, and 2-mark questions. So in 1-mark question, answering any 1 point will be good enough. But whenever you encounter 2-mark questions, you need to point out at least 2 points to answer those questions. The questions also will be such which will have 2 or more options available in the passage. So you need to write at least 2 points over there. Now the catch over here is, students, they tend to copy everything from the passage in the answer, like cut, copy, paste. So I would recommend to be more specific. Why? Because ultimately it affects the time.
Correct.
So if we write pinpointedly, it will save a lot of time at the end to do other things, which I'm going to let you know at the end what is the need and how we should go about doing all the sections. So this is how a child can save time, at the same time attempt question number 1 and 2 in a very empathetic and proper manner, such that he or she scores full marks in those 2 questions.
All right, thank you. And students, आपने देख लिया गुरु का ज्ञान. अगर सेक्शन ए में 22 में से 22 चाहिए, 22 out of 22, follow super tips given by Rajesh Mehta sir. Now sir, let us come to section